Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Huawei P60 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom, that's your main speaker right here. Next is on top of the screen, that's a phone call speaker. And the last is right here, I think that's a speaker, we're gonna check it. And to determine if there are stereo speakers, well, if the sound is coming from all of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. Okay, so the sound is coming from all of three sources, and that means this phone does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.